Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 6, chapter 16. It's pretty straightforward question, nothing to worry about. Okay, so we will be doing 6a first, part 1. Okay, the diagram shows the velocity time graph. So this is the time on x-axis and this is velocity on y-axis. Okay, so the first question is write down the value of acceleration of p when t is 5 seconds. So you see, when t is 5 seconds, somewhere over here, the speed is not changing, it is constant. It is 10 meter per second constant. So the answer is the acceleration is 0 over here. Easy? Now, second part is find the distance traveled by the particle P between 0 and 10 second. So this is 10 second, right? And this is of course 0. So from here to here, how much distance it has traveled? You remember distance or displacement, it was integral of the speed, velocity, right? Okay. So basically, it is the area under the curve. So if I find the total area under this curve, it will give me the distance. Okay. So in this particular problem, distance is equal. Let me find the area. This is first one is a triangle. So the area of this triangle is going to be half, and the base is 2, and height is 10. Remember? So this is 10. Okay. Second area I will consider is a rectangle from here to here. Okay, so this rectangle is going to be height is 10 and the width is 10 minus 2, it's 8. And finally, this triangle from here to here. Okay, for this triangle, the area is half and base is 10 minus 6 is 4 and height is 20 minus 10. So this is very simple calculation. 10 plus 80 and plus 20. So this is 110 meters. This was 0 meters per second square. Okay, now part B. Part B, the velocity, this I think part B has nothing to do with diagram. Now the velocity of a particle is given as 3 sine 2t minus 1. Okay, and first thing we need to find out the speed of this particle when t is 7 pi by 12 second. So we need to find the speed when time is 7 pi by 12. So this is going to be 3 sine 2 times t, which t is 7 pi by 12 minus 1. So this is 3 sine 14 pi by, okay, let me make it, sorry, 7, and just a second. Okay, so this is 7 pi by 6. Okay, 7 pi by 6 minus 1. Okay, this is interesting. How much is 7 pi by 6? You see, pi by 6 is 30 degree, right? So this is 3 pi by 6, then this is 6 pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6 is over here. So this angle is 30 degree. Okay, so we are talking about the sine of this angle. Now, one thing I think I should give a tutorial about this sometime, that whenever we have an angle of 30 degree, okay, this is 90 and this is 30, the sine is 1 by 2, right? So the hypotenuse is twice of the our altitude, you can say, right? So, and you know that for any point on the unit circle, at any point, the coordinates, if it is unit circle, the coordinates is, the x coordinate is cos of theta and y coordinate is sine of theta, right? So Whatever is the y coordinate, this is going to be the sine of theta. So here, this y coordinate is going to be the sine of this angle. Okay, now we know that we are not talking about unit circle, but the radius, this distance is 3. So if this is 3, this must be 1.5, half of it, right? And it is negative half of 1.5. So the answer of this one is minus 1.5 minus 1. So it is minus 2.5. And since this velocity, it is meters per second. Okay. Sometimes we don't show the negative sign because we're talking about the magnitude only. Okay. And the second part of this thing is find the least value of t for which acceleration is 0. Okay, so first we need to find the acceleration. Acceleration is the derivative of speed. So I will differentiate this expression, right? Okay, so this is going to be 3. Derivative of sine 2t is cos 2t, n into 2, and derivative of pi 1 is 0. So the answer is 6 cos 2t, right? Okay, 6 cos 2t. Now we need to uh, what the find the least value for yes. Okay, so if you remember, the graph of this function is going to be something like this. It starts from 1 and goes to 0 and something like that, right? So it becomes 0 first time over here, right? So it becomes 0 when this 2t is equal to 90 degree or pi by 2, right? So acceleration becomes 0. First time it will become 0 when 2t is equal to pi by 2, okay? Or t is equal to pi by 4. So this is our answer, okay? I hope everything is clear. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.